Hey, welcome back. Today I'll be introducing activity number 2. As I mentioned, we are focusing on interpersonal listening this week. Toxic relationship. When you see this word, what comes to your mind? It could be someone from the past or from the present might come to your mind, or it could be some scenario which is coming to your mind, isn't it? This particular word is being coined by Dr. Lillian Glass. She's a California-based communication expert and a psychologist. She had written a book on toxic people, which was released in 1995. She defines that any relationship between people who don't support each other, where there is a conflict and one seeks to undermine the other, where there is a competition, where there is disrespect and a lack of cohesiveness. See, in this definition, I would like you to pick a few keywords: competition, conflict. These two keywords, these are not necessarily be negative. Yeah. So we have to, sometimes we have to compete with others for our growth, right? So let's not look at competition as a negative word here. Similarly, conflict is again not a negative word. Whereas, how this particular definition becomes or defines toxic people because of all other keywords here. They don't support each other. They undermine the other. There is disrespect and a lack of cohesiveness. Yeah. So I would like you to understand different meaning behind all these keywords. So today we will be focusing on where and who. I would like you to keep the definition in mind. Whenever you feel like you are conversing with somebody who is negative or toxic, you can think from their perspective, where exactly they come from. Sometimes we don't know the real story behind why somebody is reacting or very harshly behaving, right? So it's very, very tough for us to look at it from the shallow or the outer space, right? Understanding where exactly they are coming from will help in understanding the others better. So this is possible if you deeply listen from the space of understanding where exactly they are coming from. And your response while listening. When I say response, it's not the words being uttered, your response in your mind. Understand where is it coming from. If you are trying to connect all the dots, try to understand from where you are picking all the dots. Who exactly they are to you. Who are you to them? I'm not going to delve deeper into these questions, but I want you to answer to these questions in your notebook, which you have dedicated for this particular program. Once you have recorded the answers, take a break for 30 minutes or 60 minutes. Completely divert your mind doing something else. Probably you can listen to some music or just go for a walk, have a cuppa. Come back, look at your answers. Those answers will give clarity on so many things. I would like to understand what is your learning. Today, I'm not going to delve deeper into your thoughts or the emotions or the intentions here, but I would like to understand your new learning. Can you please share that with me? Again, you can click a pic of your notebook, send it to me, or just type in the chat box of WhatsApp, send it to me. You sharing information will help me a lot in giving more. Thank you so much. See you. Bye-bye.